Hello guys and welcome to the Chris channel, and today we are going to talk about the meaning behind the angel number 82. When the angel number 82 keeps appearing in your life, you should know that the divine is at work here. In your numbers are how your guardian angels are speaking to you. So when you keep seeing repeating number sequences, they are trying to send you an important message. You have nothing to fear because these messages only seek you to give you light, love, and peace. You are just being reassured that you have the full support of your guardian angels and that the divine is watching over you and working every time to give you what you need. Now, why angel number 82 can be bad luck for some? Contrary to what you might think about angel numbers, they are not a symbol of bad luck, and they are not bringer of misfortune. Your guardian angels carry these messages to you straight from the divine because you can do without a little hope, guidance, and encouragement. They don't appear in your life to scare you that something bad is about to happen. The meaning of the 82 means something that you need to do but don't want to do. Unlike the 939, you can put all of your worries and fears aside because the 82 meaning only brings positive energies to your life. This angel number can help you remove the toxic energies that are preventing you from reaching your potential. When you keep seeing the 82, it is just like seeing the 28. It simply means that things are looking up for you. If you have been experiencing a lull or feel like you're stuck without a lot of options, the appearance of the angel number 82 should fill you with hope again. It will be a period of manifestation, which means that all of you have been working so hard for you will finally be a reality. You will receive the rewards of your determination and persistence, and you will be so glad that you did not give up. You can expect a shower of blessings and periods of abundance and prosperity. This will give you the fresh start that your life needs, and it will fill you with hope and inspiration. The meaning of the 82 is a configuration from the divine that you are capable of achieving success. You have what it takes to be successful in your endeavors, and you can be successful if you truly want to. Your guardian angels are asking you to be patient and to wait for the right moment to act and go ahead with your plans. Sometimes you need to let the excitement settle down first before you can proceed. This way you can make the best decision without relying on too many emotions or other external forces. Just trust that there is a reason for you to season of awakening, and that is what it waits for you ahead. It's worth it. The 82 meaning calls for you to exercise your personal power and authority. You decide what you want to make for yourself, and you determine what kind of life you are going to have. Your guardian angels are urging you to be courageous and tenacious. You are being reminded to be confident about your abilities, talents, and skills. This is a time to be self-reliant and find solutions to your problems on your own. Not everybody will be accommodating you all the time, and not everybody will be willing enough to stick out when they're next for you. When that happens, you need to be able to take care of yourself, stay focused, and just believe that everything has an answer. Keep a positive attitude because when one door closes, another one opens. Believe in your positive affirmations and visualize your success every day. Remove the negative influence in your life and don't feel pressure in any way. Go through life at your own pace and will get you through the destination in one piece. Now, for all my viewers, there is a free numerology reading today. Just check the link in the comments and in the video description. So, the truth and secret influence of angel number 82. When you keep seeing the 82, it is time to achieve balance and harmony. You need to regain your balance and peace of mind so that you can better work on your goals and focus on what else you want to accomplish. A chaotic and distorted environment will also create a chaotic and disturbed mind. Declutter your life and let go of old habits, thoughts, and ways that they are no longer working for you. The angel number 82 is asking you to have the grace to handle your obstacles. Be confident that you can overcome your challenges and that your energies will be like a winner. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. Keep your chin up every time and take the lessons to heart. When you keep seeing the angel number, you are also being invited to be of service to others. The divine is giving you a wake-up call to be more aware. The world doesn't revolve around you. Now, what to do when you see the angel number 82? The meaning of the 82 is very clear. You need to have faith, trust, and conviction to the right things. If you want your life to take a different yet positive turn, you must believe in yourself, even if the odds are starting against you. Be confident that you can make it. You always have the encouragement and support of the divine. If you are on the wrong path, your guardian angels will let you know in a more creative ways. Work with inner strength and be tenacious in your approach. Pursue your dreams and goals recently. Keep your feet on the ground and graceful for all of the wonderful things that the divine is blessing you with. Always make them proud so that you will stay blessed. Angel number 82 appears in your light to give you hope, assurance, and encouragement. Surrender all of your fears and worries to your guardian angels. Now, do you believe that this angel number can help you with whatever you are going through? And if it does, share this and like this video. Now, unusual facts about the angel number 82. Angel number 82 sends various messages to all those in need. Some surprising facts about the angel number 82 are the following. Angel number 82 sends a message to be calm and soft always. You tend to be very ruthless and fierce. I don't doubt you should be bold and robust. However, you can still sometimes be dangerous and hurtful towards someone who hurts you. If you let feelings die inside you, you are on the road to disappointment. You tend to be very raw and should stop this attitude towards people. If you come across angel number 82, it is a message from your angels who want to be more compassionate and generous. They also want you to be more strong. You may feel a suffocating environment around yourself. Angel number 82 wants you to face the challenges and emerge victorious. If you leave and run now, you are bound to fail. You should not be fearful when in difficult situations. Be bold and stable. Let troubles knock on your door. You have to knock them off. Stand and fight your problems on your own. Never expect people to fight for you. Now, speak up for yourself. Angel number 82 wants you to raise your voice for yourself. Let go of your fears, your shallow. Allow yourself to voice out your opinions and feelings. Let your strong voice be heard in situations that they are uncomfortable. Never try to prove yourself to people around you. They will understand when the time comes. So remember guys to check in the comments and in the video description the link for your free numerology reading today to pinpoint your great miracle period. Just check the link and select your birthday month. It is very interesting guys, so go now. Guys, this was the meaning behind angel number 82. If you like the video, please give me your like and remember to subscribe.